The assignment retail space is primarily talking about shopping centers or some downtown areas. There will be standalone buildings that have perhaps one big tenant or a multiple small storefronts. There are some major differences in renting retail space. First of all, you're looking at places that need to have a lot of foot traffic and or parking availability. The attractiveness of the exterior of the building is important, and also that the stores are open consistently around the same times and that they are well maintained. Often you'll see a retail lease has a much longer time period because you want people to know where your location is and build up that reputation. And you will, if you move around a lot, sometimes you lose customers. So it's very common to see very long-term leases in retail. Shopping centers often have an anchor tenant. You'll see, as an example, there might be a Michael's or a Hobby Lobby or some store that you know, that they know that people will always come to because it's a name brand, and then they will fill in with smaller stores that maybe are independently owned or not as well known in a shopping center. Rent is paid a little bit different in retail as well. Often it's a base rent amount plus a percentage of the sales that the store achieves, with the rights for the property manager or the owner to audit the books and make sure there is honesty in reporting the amount of sales that a store has had. Common area charges, again, because you often have shared space that has to be maintained by several tenants. Those are often charged and assessed. There are often quite a few reports made to the owner about how the businesses are doing and the amount of revenue they've taken in. If you have an office building that you're renting out, you're not going to give any reports to the property owner. You're just going to write a rent check every month, and it will probably be the same amount based on what you had in your lease. Retail's not like that. It's very different because so many of those rents are based on the sales. They need to have that information. Other than that, I have a fun little assignment posted for you. I have another video from Mindy Gronbeck, who is at Hawkins Companies, and they develop and manage retail properties. Walgreens is one of their big clients. And we'll have a discussion board on that, and also a little homework assignment for you in your neighborhood about shopping centers. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to check in with me. And I thank you for your attention. Talk to you soon.